the hot room. Even with the temperature a sizzling 120 degrees, Chevrolet air conditioning, teamed with the quality insulation of Body by Fisher, keeps the interior cool and comfortable. Now the cold room. Man-made winter weather to test the reliability of Chevrolet engines under extreme cold. 20 below and quick starting. The ultra-cold compartment, 60 degrees below zero. Yet the Chevrolet door lock opens with the usual single, easy turn of the key. The air-cooled Corvair engine proves its ability to start quickly and easily. It runs smoothly, reliably, even in bitter cold. The new Corvair heater keeps the passenger compartment as warm and pleasant as a summer day, while the perimeter vent system maintains equal temperature throughout. At the proving grounds, testing for reliability extends to bodies, frames, and suspensions. Watch the front wheels of this Corvair take the crushing impact of almost the full weight of the car. Stability, too, is put to the ultimate test. On punishing ruts and chuck holes, Chevrolet and Corvair coil springs stand up as much as 3 times as long as conventional leaf springs. Here, Corvette demonstrates its spectacular handling ability on one of Europe's toughest test courses. Day and night, without a single break except for fuel, going at almost top speed. Yet those Corvettes never falter. Through the almost trackless Central American jungle, through mud, swamp, swollen rivers, and tropic heat, Corvair proves it can stand the gas. The 2,000-mile Mobil Gas Economy run is just one more example of Chevrolet's willingness to test its products in every way possible. A quality Chevrolet dealer is a key man in Chevrolet's reliability program. First, he makes certain the product is in top shape when he delivers it to you. Then provides top-flight service people and facilities to assure continuing reliability. Yes, there's a lot behind Chevrolet. A lot of tests, facilities, patience, and care. In short, the industry's most complete reliability program to make sure the Chevrolet you buy gives you reliable service year after year. In the all-weather, all-roads, all-places kind of driving that you do. All that a car should be, all that you ever hoped for, you get in the reliable 1961 Chevrolets. The cars and trucks that can stand the gas.